Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to ICP video update. And tomorrow I'm going to open up the private, and there's something I want to show people on the private. And I've made this message that I'll make a private video on why you have to remain here for the major part of 2024. February and March will be your buying months. Rest of the year you'll be ripping off good profits. There's logic to this when I'll show you, I bet, if you will disagree. Okay, so there's something that I've discovered about Bitcoin and why you should be a part of it. Tomorrow entry opens out. Today's 19, just for 10 days. So do shoot me a message on Discord. Link is in the description. Or if you want to know how you're gonna get into it, comment on this video how. Right now, thing is that you can see ICP dropping, and I am starting to see that there are chances of ICP maybe probably coming down to 4.7 or something like that. So first of all, you are very close to this technical target, right? I'm pretty sure on the channel I've already updated about ICP. I don't know if it was a Wednesday video. I think it was this video here. Let the RSI reset. I've talked about ICP in a lengthy detail. Yes, so this was the video triangle. Okay, so in that video we talked about this triangle here. So this was your triangle over there, and you broke below the triangle. You're coming down to the technical target of the triangle. Now it doesn't stop here. I don't think 10.3 is the place where you are going to stop. I think there are chances where you're looking for 4.7, and it's not really confirmed, but I'm going to show you what's going on in here. So if you start to see ICP making this left shoulder and this being your head, and if you do come down, end up breaking below 10.3, and you start to push, just make a very small bounce and do something like this, you're going to be printing your right shoulder, and then you break below, and you may be looking for another technical target for ICP to really break towards $5 probably. And I think that may be the last point of anyone who is looking to buy big on ICP. And also keep in mind that $5 is also a place where you do have a little bit of an influence right over here, because it does seem to me that you did end up making some few touches as well. So it's almost going to be 4.8, something like that, right? So yeah, near the $5 department, because if you look at ICP and what it did before is it had that resistance and then shoot all the way to the upside, turn it into support. So yes, if you end up coming down, that's going to be a major support at $4.8 in the future. And that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.